being face-to-face, I may go insane, or more insane. I may go more insane. So, today, what we're going to be doing is a little getting used to Google Drive, and some of the things that we're going to be doing going forward, we need to set up on the front end. So, if you watch the tutorial, you probably already know this, but I'm going to walk through it with you. So, you need to sign into Google with your KDISD account right here, and we'll do that. It has already saved my password. Type in your password. For a lot of y'all, it's like KQKE or something like that, or maybe you changed it. But we will then log in. So here, slowly, is my Google Drive. Now, I will tell you, we need to keep it as organized as possible, because really the big thing is that you're going to be using your Google Drive going forward into high school, and possibly college for sure, and professionally as you move on. I actually have like 3 Google accounts and 3 Google Drives, and it's about as neat as it's going to get. But this has this is my school Google Drive, and you'll see, like, I like to keep it organized by year. So what I would recommend, and what I am going to expect you all to do, is right-click, make a new folder, and title it 2020. You don't have to put the asterisk, but what you're going to do, I'll do this part, actually, let's say 2020 school year. Create, and boom, it's right here. Now, for my class, or classes, I will do a two-parter. So what we're going to do is, inside this folder, we need to make a few more folders, just to get started. So, if you are in my Lead Worthy class, you will make a folder that says Lead Worthy. And if you are in my Career Investigations class, you'll make a Career Investigations class. Now, this does not need to be specifically for me. I'm trying to help you and set you up for organization, because raise your hand if you're unorganized. I am not very organized. I'm 34 years into this life, and I'm still trying to get more organized. And I've seen a lot of y'all's backpacks, so I know you ain't that organized. But maybe this system will work for you, and me forcing you to do it will at least maybe put you in the right track. So another thing you could do right now, and I would recommend doing right now, and I will check for a grade, not right now, but I would assume you all have the same basic classes, right? Mathematics. That's how you spell it. We'll just do mathematics, too hard to spell. Alright, and then we will do, let's see, is ELA block? We'll just say ELA. So that's reading and writing. I'm not sure if you'll need a PE folder, but you may. So, new folder. Physical education. Okay. And then, near to my heart, because I taught it for a long time, is science. And then I'm just going to put other electives, because some of you may have art, some of you may have basket weaving, and some of you may have, I don't know, interpretive dance electives. They got everything here. So, and if I missed one, oh yeah, Coach Huff and Coach Studies. Okay. Science, math, social, that's everything, I think. And if you have something else to add to your schedule, add it. Okay. We are going to, Monday, I will be looking to see this set up for you. Okay. So, why are we doing this? Well, face-to-face, with asynchronous, synchronous, distance learning, all of these things. One thing is for sure is that we are going to be more digital, less paper. Just a fact. So this gives you one place to go to kind of check everything, you know. I mean, another good thing here would be to put the bell schedule. You know, I mean, that doesn't have to go in a folder necessarily. I mean, things that you will refer to often during this year. And when you get in the habit next year, you make a new folder that says 2021. And it just becomes a great place to get this out of here. Like the drag and drop function of Google Drive is such a good resource. So like right here you see I have the 2021 TJH bell schedule. I'll just drop it in there. You know, you might need it. You might need to look at it instead of going on Canvas. And you know, Google Drive, the app on your phone it's pretty decent. So I would recommend downloading it and syncing it to your KDISD. So where were we? All of these classes are very important, and I'm willing to bet you have either already have content that you could put in there, or content that you will put in there. I know that for a fact, math, you know, you can download those recordings. You know, I know Canvas is the one-stop shop, but it's just another way to kind of organize. And for me, you know, it's a little bit, you can put files here, and that Canvas you can't like drop in, save files there. So, Leadworthy, we're going to make a few folders to get started. And, so one of our folders is going to say digital time capsule. That's going to be one. Two. We're going to make another one that says things that make me happy. I'm going to create. And for right now, for Leadworthy, this is all you're going to need to do. And I'm going to go back here. And if you are in career investigations, we are going to make a folder that says health. And we're going to make a folder that says vocabulary introduction. Whoa, what is that spelling, Coach? Okay. So, back to 2020 school year. You essentially have a place for all your files. Now, get in the habit of putting stuff here. Okay, this is your digital trapper keeper, whatever they call them these days, binder, notebook. I mean, honestly, there's a really good way to do stuff here too. Is if you make for all of you, what you can do is just set up a Google Sheet. This is how this sort of stuff works. And we can title this Google Sheet. That's how it works. Some of you guys may have other ways of organizing, and that's fine. I just want to show you another way, and making it tangible to an assignment. Even if you don't like it, it will force you to kind of get out of your wheelhouse and try something new. But there's another thing you can do here, just to-do list, title to-do list. And then you can, let's make this a little bigger. Let's not do that. Let's make, I'm a numbers guy, I like seeing numbers. So, number one, what do I need to do today? Well, I need to upload this video to Canvas. Okay, 2020 school year, my to-do list is right here. So when I finally upload this, I will come here. And I will say complete. And just there. And then I will go and I will add tasks. And it's a good way to kind of keep track. I'm just giving you a few options to do. So this right here is quote unquote your assignment. I'm going to have an assignment tab in Canvas, and what you will do is after you complete all of this, I am going to ask for you to take a snip or a screenshot. Zip my little snippet to email now. And I'm going to hit new snip. All I want to do is see that my weird face, okay, and then we just will save as, and you can save it to your desktop, and then upload it to Canvas, and that will be your first grade. Piece of cake. So, thank you for watching, and let me see if I can quickly find some good outro music. I'll just roll this.